Okay. Good morning, students. Last class we had discussed about carbon compounds. Carbon compounds means diamond, graphite, and Buckminster fullerene. At the same time, carbon oxides, carbon monoxide, and carbon dioxide. Okay. So today class silicon compounds. Silicon compounds. Silicon is a very available or abundant element. Okay, it is a second abundant element in the earth crust. Second abundant element or available element in the earth crust. So, silicon is mainly available silica, SiO2, SiO2. Silicon dioxide, or it is also called silica, just like sand. Okay, silica, sand. So silicon is mainly available from silicates. Silicates. Silicate means number of components like a granite and cement, bricks, glass. These are all components, silicate components. Okay, these are all components, silicate components. These silicate components contain silicon element. Okay, so overall, silicon is mainly available with crystalline. Okay, crystalline form. Suppose quartz or tridamite and cristobalite, quartz, tridamite, cristobalite. So these components is crystalline form of silicon. Crystalline form of silicon. Which components? One quartz, second one tridamite, third one cristobalite. Okay. So now we are discuss about SiO2. SiO2, silicon dioxide. SiO2. Listen, SiO2 means already we know that silica. Silica is mainly available in the earth crust. Okay, in the earth crust and the surface of earth also. Silicon dioxide, it is a Gantt molecule. Gantt molecule. Gantt means just like hard substance. Okay, very hard substance means Gantt molecule. Okay, so silica is SiO2 contain central atom silicon. Okay, so in SiO2 it's contain number of silicon atoms and number of oxygen atoms. Silica contain number of silicon atoms, number of oxygen atoms. So suppose for example Si, silicon. This silicon is attached with the alternator. Oxygen, silicon, oxygen, silicon, oxygen, silicon. So alternator. And next silicon, oxygen, silicon, oxygen. Next silicon, oxygen, silicon, oxygen. So bond. At the same time, silicon, oxygen, silicon oxygen, silicon bond, 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 bond. Okay, so silicon oxygen atoms attach continuously, alternate. Okay, or suppose oxygen. Next further silicon, oxygen, silicon, oxygen, silicon, oxygen, bond, 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 bond. Okay, you write another form. Suppose oxygen, silicon, oxygen, silicon, oxygen, silicon, oxygen, bond, bond. So silicon and oxygen is attached alternately in the SiO2. So overall each silicon atom attached with 4 oxygen atoms tetrahedrally. Listen, oxygen, 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 oxygen. So this structure is tetrahedral structure. Listen, silicon is a tetrahedral formed with 4 oxygen atoms. How? Silicon, oxygen, 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 oxygen. So this structure is tetrahedral structure. Suppose we have taken another silicon, oxygen, 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 oxygen. Okay, suppose silicon, this silicon is also attached with oxygen atoms to tetrahedral form. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 oxygen atoms. Or suppose another silicon, 1, 2, 3, 4. Or suppose this silicon 1, 2, 3, 4 to form tetrahedral form. Or suppose 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 tetrahedral form. This silicon 1, 2, 3, 4 tetrahedral form. So each silicon form tetrahedral structure with 4 oxygen atoms. So overall silica contain number of tetrahedral structures. This structure is also called 3D structure. 3D structure. 3D structure means 3-dimensional structure. Okay, 3-dimensional structure. So at the same time, between S bond O Si, Si O Si or Si O Si, this bonds is a very strong bonds. Okay, silicon, oxygen, silicon. Bonds is a very strong bonds. Okay, so overall silica contain sp3 hybridization. Okay, so in silica, silicon atom undergoes sp3 hybridization. Okay, listen. So silica, SiO2. SiO2 means silicon dioxide, just like sand. Overall it is gate molecule. Gate molecule means hard substance. Okay, hard substance. So silica contain number of oxygen atoms and silicon atoms. In silica, silicon and oxygen attach alternately. Okay, or continuously. Silicon, oxygen, silicon, oxygen, silicon, oxygen. So overall, silicon forms tetrahedral structure with 4 oxygen atoms. Okay, silicon forms which structure? Tetrahedral structure. So this is the tetrahedral structure. Suppose how silicon bond O, next bond O, bond O, bond O. It is a tetrahedral shape. Okay, silicon atom form tetrahedral structure. How many oxygen atom? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so overall it's contain number of tetrahedral structures. Silica is also called, silica structure is also called 3D structure. 3D structure means 3-dimensional structure. And at the same time, in silica, Si bond O Si. Bonds is a very strong bonds. And in silica, silicon atom undergoes sp3 hybridization. Okay, which hybridization? sp3 hybridization. Okay, it is a structure of silica. So overall, silica is attached with the number of components. Okay, silica is reacts with the number of components. Suppose for example, it is directly reacts with the halogens, hydrogen, okay, hydrogen, some base components, okay, base component. Listen, so overall, SiO2, silica. Silica is commonly solid nature. Okay, silica is which nature? Solid nature. It is acidic nature of property. Okay, which nature? Acidic nature. Okay, silica is acidic nature. It is reacts with a number of components. Suppose for example, SiO2 reacts with silicon dioxide, reacts with some basic components like a sodium hydroxide or calcium hydroxide. Okay, so suppose it is reaction with the sodium hydroxide, NaOH. To form this reaction, Na2, 2Na, Na2 and Si, O2 and 1O, O3, sodium silicate, okay, Na2, SiO3, sodium silicate. Next further 2H, H2O, 2H, H2 and one oxygen, H2O. Okay, so silica reacts with sodium hydroxide. To form this reaction, sodium silicate and water molecules. So what is the reaction? SiO2 plus 2NaOH gives rise to Na2SiO3 plus H2O, water molecules. Next further, suppose SiO2, silicon dioxide. This silicon dioxide is reacts with CaOH taken twice. CaOH taken twice. Calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide. So, to form Ca, calcium Si, O2 and one oxygen, O3. Okay, O taken twice, O2 and one oxygen. So O3, remaining H2 hydrogen and one oxygen, H2O. Okay, H2O. So it is a calcium silicate. What is the formula of calcium silicate? CaSiO3, calcium silicate. Next, water molecules. What is the reaction? Silicon dioxide reacts with calcium hydroxide to form calcium silicate and water molecules. What is the chemical equation? SiO2 plus CaOH taken twice gives rise to CaSiO3 calcium silicate plus H2O water molecules. Okay. Suppose we have taken another reaction SiO2 silicon dioxide. This silicon dioxide is reacts with hydrogen fluoride HF. HF means hydrogen fluoride. Okay. To form this reaction, silicon Si and 4F4. Okay. Si silicon 4F4. Next further 2H 4H 2H2 and 2 oxygen atoms water molecules. Okay, so silicon dioxide is reacts with hydrogen fluoride HF to form SiF4 silicon tetrafluoride. Next water molecules. What is the chemical reaction? Silicon dioxide SiO2 plus 4HF gives rise to SiF4 plus 2H2O water molecules. Okay, so these are all chemical reactions. Okay, chemical reactions. Okay, listen. SiO2 silica, which hybridization? sp3 hybridization. Which structure? 3-dimensional structure. It is gain molecule. Overall, silica is a solid component. It is acidic nature. At the same time, silica is attached with commonly halogens, hydrogen. At the same time, some basic components. Suppose, for example, silica reacts with sodium hydroxide or calcium hydroxide to form sodium silicate or calcium silicate. Next further reaction, silica reacts with hydrogen fluoride to form SiF4 silicon tetrafluoride and next water molecules. Okay, it is silica SiO2. Silicon forms number of components, mainly silicones, next silicates. Okay, silicones and silicates. Further class we have discussed about silicones and silicates. Already we know that silicates. What is the silicates? Like a building materials, cement, bricks, granite, glass. Okay, so these are all building materials. These building materials is silicates. Silicates contain number of silicon and oxygen atoms. Okay, for further class we have discussed about silicates and silicones. Okay, what is the silicates and silicones? What is the use of silicates and silicones? Okay, so already we know that SiO2 is a solid compound. SiO2 is solid compound. So it is one important question. What is that? CO2 is gaseous component. CO2 is gaseous component. SiO2 is solid. Why? It is very important. Already we know that CO2 is a gaseous component. Between carbon and oxygen contain double bonds, 2 sigma and 2 pi bonds. Okay, and between carbon and oxygen, weak van der Waals forces, linear shape, 180 degree bond angle. Okay, due to this reason CO2 is a gaseous component, but SiO2 is a solid component, because just like it is gained molecule, it has a three-dimensional structure or three-dimensional shape. Between silicon and oxygen, it contains very strong bond and sp3 hybridization. Due to this reason, SiO2 is a solid nature. It is very important question. CO2 is gaseous component, SiO2 is solid component. Explain. It is very important question. Okay. Further class we are discuss about silicates and silicones. Okay.